In this video, we'll see how we can lock our hidden photos album with Face ID. So if you have photos and videos in the hidden album in your camera roll, but you are concerned because everyone can access it by simply tapping on it, then let's see how we can lock that album so only you can access it by scanning your face. You want to exit your Photos app or camera roll and then open the settings on your iPhone or iPad device. When you get to the settings page, you want to scroll a little bit down until you can see the Photos section, so just tap on it to open the Photos settings, because that's exactly what we need. When you get here, you want to find an option that's called Use Face ID, and just below that, it says that Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. So if this option wasn't enabled for you, then anyone could have clicked on the hidden album and they could access your photos and videos which you had added to the hidden album. You want to turn this on or enable the Use Face ID option, and we can then go back to our camera roll. When the Face ID option is enabled, you are going to see a little lock icon next to the hidden and recently deleted albums, and that means that you will have to scan your face with Face ID in order to have access to the hidden photos and videos, as well as the recently deleted album. This is a useful little feature because now you'll be sure that only you can access those hidden photos and videos. And that's how you can lock hidden photos on your iPhone using Face ID. If you need more similar iPhone tutorials, make sure to check out my iPhone playlist from the description of this video, and I will see you in the next one.